G'day folks, today we're heading down to Lake Lyell in Lithgow, camping there for a few nights. Woo! It's about 7:30, we're gonna try and get there before nightfall and get set up. And yeah, the weather's looking a bit gnarly.
Oh, get a photo of that, boys.
Oh, hang on.
Get a photo of that, look at that.
So we got a bit of sun coming through, but yeah, the radar's showing a bit of rain. Bit of an update on our travels. We had a few delays along the way. Our 7:30 ETA time has been extended now to about 9:30.
How good, how good, how good.
Lucky you. Guys, it's about 9:30 p.m. We still can't find the campsite. I've been driving around, having a bit of trouble.
He's saying here, eh? What is he doing?
It's too dark. 9:30, we finally made it.
How good, eh?
What do you mean? It's too light.
That's why you don't bring a football pump to blow up your double airbed mattress.
Just about to head up to Lost City. Jared and Shauno, we're just airing down our cars. So Lost City, supposedly this beautiful rock formation, this gorgeous lookout. So get there, drive up the dirt tracks, just air the tyres down. How you coping?
Yeah, it's a walk in the park, boys and girls. It's a bloody beautiful day out here, bloody Lithgow. It's just sensational. You just got to be here, eh? You just got to be here. That's...
Made it.
How good, eh?
We're at Lost City. What are you doing?
We're doing the chicken track, guys.
So Sam's already got his car down there, and now it's Sean's go. Decided to take the cars down there, all the way to the end. Run into a bit of rain.
That's the usual when we go out on the trip. But you gotta have faith.
Corbin, would you like to tell us about your new car? Come on, you got 30 seconds.
It's a 1989 Ford Maverick, CD42 turbo, 101 colour, custom bar work, 1 entry small pool, 35, all superior 4-inch suspension.
So we have been praised for our ability to cook a pizza on a camping stove, and today we're going to reveal our secrets. How do we do it, Sean?
You know, I'm not telling you.
You put one side of the barbie on, and you leave the other side off, and you close the... Oh. Watch it, mate. Right, pick a colour.
White.
White.
White. So if we get white, we all do a shot.
We all do a shot.
Blue.
Oh.
Oh yeah, well welcome to Teppanyaki Live, hey people? Round 2.
Also, it's on burgers on the menu tonight.
Milk that bloody cheese, boys and girls. Get that up there. Oh my goodness.
That looks so good.
The cheese!
Finally got a bit of sun on the last day, peeking through the clouds, so we're making the most of it. Some people are working hard, some people aren't. That concludes another episode. We'll catch you next time.